Oh, Mother Nature. It was just a shrub. She was only 5, vulnerable, defenseless. Yet the jaws of men crept into her soil, axing into the lungs of your forests, as they steal the breath of your daughters. Oh, Mother Nature, protect them. They cried your name before being cut into pieces, before man violated her and pushed her to the ground. The evils of man and soil erosion, deforestation with no reforestation. Oh, Mother Nature, your children call for justice. Men violate your forests and children alike. Your skies filled with fears and shears of acid rain. Your wildlife endangered and waters polluted as man mercilessly exploits. Oh, let your tears soak the land and weeds sing their names. The soil once tender with secrets now holds their bones too soon. Their laughter buried beneath its breath, their innocence drilled and mined, and cries so loud, yet unheard. O Mother Nature, hear their cries, hiding their sobs beneath your stars, but your skies remember every stolen child and elephant tusk. They spill sorrow into your oceans, yet forget that your rivers are veins and that your rocks remember names. O humanity, creep in, not to destroy, but to protect what is soft. Women, children, animals, and trees alike.